art is so insanely creative. It is like on another level, and we are about to get on that level with them. We're not. I'm never going to be able to do art like that, and that's just the truth. Okay? What are we making? A swan. No. It's a Pegasus. It's a Pegasus. A unicorn. What's the difference between a Pegasus and a unicorn? That was cool.
Yes!
Yeah. I mean, fair enough. Fair enough to have that reaction. That was really impressive. I don't even, like, I'm impressed when, like, baristas just do, like, the regular, like, you know, the classic latte, like, art thing. I don't even know what it is, but, like, you know, just the standard one. I'm even impressed when they do that. I've worked at a restaurant where there's an espresso machine before, and I've tried. It's not easy, okay? That's all I'm saying. It looks easy. They make it look really easy. It ain't. We're spraying. It's books. It's gonna be books. It's a book. It's a child reading books. It's a hand. It's a child with books and rocks. And that's so cool. Also, like, the backdrop. Amazing. Wow, beautiful. That's really cool. This is like the modern version of like the Nazca lines. You know what I mean? This is a modern day geoglyph, but we have drones and stuff to see. That's amazing. That's really cool. I like that. I don't know why they did that, but I like it, and I'm glad that they did. Hey, what is that? What is that? Oh, it looks like a frog. Could be a dragon? A dragon. I'm guessing a It's a T-Rex! Cool. Oh my gosh, he's doing more. Is it another dragon or another dinosaur? No, it's a face. It's a face this time. It's a good face. It's Frida Kahlo. Oh my god, that was cool. I'm not gonna lie, for a while there, that was the definition of trust the process. We like looking like a frog and stuff, but it really paid off in the end. That was really cool. And just out of cardboard too. Guy's talented. I love that. Dirty car. Nice. I was somewhat of an artist on a dirty car before too. Everyone does it. I've written things as a child in the dirt on the car. Wash me. Oh, that's a little dog nose. Oh, this is so lovely. Wow, he's so cute. Aww, I love him. That's amazing. Wow, I mean, like, that's the only time I've ever seen a dirty car, and I've been like, I could get behind that, and I don't think you should wash it. I think you should just leave it as is. I love it. He's so cute. I love dogs. They're so pure.
Farmers are still here. They've managed to get all the crops in now because the race has never been held in September, so we've got a new pattern for you. I find this absolutely amazing how the artisans can do this, Bob.
It is absolutely amazing. That's just a bunch of farmers and tractors, and they're making a bike. What would be crazy is if the bike started moving. Now that would be next level. They would be magicians, farmer magicians. Dang, I love that. I love that they've got their own little thing. All the helicopters are going. It's like a big day. Damn, that's way bigger than I thought, though. Wow. Wow. How long do you think that would take? That's so cool, and it's so beautiful. Wow, I really like that one a lot. That's very satisfying. I could sit there and watch that whole thing be created. All right, it's blank now. It's not gonna be for long. Oh my god. You've gotta be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. That's amazing. I'm obsessed with this. I love that. The Titanic. I was not expecting, I saw like all of these art supplies and I was like, he's gonna smack that canvas down on all of these art supplies and it's gonna create a beautiful painting. No, it was so much better. Even more impressive, honestly. So my grandpa's been giving me magazines since I was a kid. Very grandfather thing to do. And I never threw them away. It's a lot of magazines. Ooh, so I made, wow. Oh, that's the cutest thing ever. I was gonna say, I was like, I bet he's so proud of this. I bet he loves that this is what the magazines went to. And then we got to see it, which I love. I mean, I'm assuming that was the grandfather. I will assume that. That's so cool. That's really, honestly, very impressive. That's really talented. I love that. Okay, I'm into it. Whoa, that one screw already made a circle. Yeah. Yeah. What are these guys doing? Oh. What? You're kidding me. That's like someone who has vision. You know what I mean? That's so impressive. I love that. I'm obsessed with that. That was also another trust the process. In the beginning, I was like, this is abstract when he dumped the screws off. I'm like, and that's it. Well, it's very interesting. No, it got so much cooler, so much better. Stop. Stop it. What? I'm like stressed because that would be so hard. That would be so hard. That would take so much. At that point, like it's not, you're doing art, but you're also doing like math or something. There's some like higher level thinking involved in something like this. Potato art. It's gonna be a bull. It's gonna be a bull. I'm still standing by bull. I mean, I feel like it's obvious at this point. We got different kinds of potatoes. Maybe those were all sweet potatoes and I just didn't notice. Cool! Wow, they even made like little decorations. That's really cool. What do you do with the sweet potato after? Do you eat it? Do you eat it? I don't know. I'm just wondering. I'm asking. What do you do after? Or do you just let that one be art for a day and then goes in the trash? I don't know. I'm wondering. That's really cool. Guys, that's it. That's all the clips we have for today. That's all the insanely creative art. I'm like significantly impressed and I would for sure like to see more of these. I love seeing how talented people are. It really is amazing. Let me know if you'd like to see a part 2 of this or something similar. Okay. Also, just like let me know what you'd like to see on the channel in general. Okay, maybe we can make something happen. You and I. Down below in the comments. Let us know. I've been your host today, Olivia Kozlowski. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye. Love you.